Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 163. Day 163, we are in the process of solving some word problems from day number 101 through 200. Today is our 63rd day. Here's the problem for today. Question is, what is the interest earned on a deposit of $1,000 for n years at p% per year? P% simple interest per year. Simple interest as opposed to compound interest. In other words, the interest that we're going to earn at the end of the first year, the following year, that interest will not earn interest itself. We're just going to earn simple interest. A simple interest, for example, if you invest $100 at 10%, it just gives you $10 every year until however many years you want to keep it. In other words, at the end of the first year, that the $10 that you earn is not going to earn you interest. That $10 is not going to earn you interest the following year. It's just going to be $10. Every year it just earns $10 at 10%. It's called simple interest. So here's the solution. So we are investing $1,000 even for n number of years at p%. Here's the solution. If we invest $100 invested for 1 year at let's say 5%, earns $5, which makes sense. If you invest $100 at 5%, at the end of the first year you're going to have $5 if you invest it for 1 year. If you invest $100 invested for 1 year at p%, if 5% gives us $5, then p% must give us p dollars. Must earn p dollars, whatever the p happens to be. That implies, then return implies that if you were to invest 10 times the amount of money, instead of $100, if we invest $1,000 invested for 1 year, at p% should give us 10 times the amount of money. It should give us 10 times the amount of return because we're investing 10 times the amount of money. That's for 1 year. That implies that if we were to invest the same $1,000 for 3 years, we should earn 3 times the amount of money. Whatever we earn in 1 year, in 3 years' time, we'll earn 3 times as much. In 7 years' time, we'll earn 7 times as much. Therefore, in n years' time, invested at p% for n years, $1,000 invested for n years at p% should give us 10 times p times n dollar. Or, if you like, 10 times np dollar. That's it. That is your answer. So in the algebraic expression, this answer would be 10 times np. And of course, we can verify this answer very easily by plugging in numbers and see what happens. For example, if we were to invest, $100 invested at, let's say, 5% for 1 year, will earn $5, of course. $1,000 on the other hand, instead of $100, if we were to invest $1,000, 10 times the amount of money, $1,000 invested at 5% for 1 year, for 1 year, should earn 10 times the amount of money. Similarly, $1,000 invested for at 5% for let's say for 3 years will earn 3 times the amount of money. 3 times that amount of money. In other words, what we are saying is that $100 at 5% earns $50. $100 at 5% earns $5 at the end of the year. Then $1,000 should earn $50 because it's 10 times the amount of money. So if the $1,000 earned $50 in 1 year, in 3 years' time, it should earn 3 times the amount of money because it earns $50 every year. This is exactly the same as that one. You see, you got your 10. We have our 10. N was the number of years right here for n years. This is our n. This is right here, our n. And then here we have our p, the 5%. That's our p. So it's 10 times p times n, which is same as 10 times n times p. So this expression does in fact give us the right answer. That's all. So had this been a multiple choice question, the correct answer would be 10 times np. That's all. That's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow on day number 164, where we'll talk about figuring out the area of a rectangle. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.